Testing, testing. We are live. What's going on, beautiful people? In today's cool little marketing tip, we're going to be talking about new list building strategies, okay? We're going to be talking about new list building strategies and how to grow your business implementing the rotator. Now, you guys have seen me use that link rotator a couple of times by now if you're subscribed to my YouTube channel and if you're on my list. You guys know I absolutely love this rotator. Now, when we talk about a new list building strategy, we should always be looking for new, creative, and innovative ways to do just that. And that's exactly what you guys are going to see in this video as I talk about a new list building strategy that I'm about to implement. Actually, it's being implemented right now to grow your business. Okay, now, here's the thing. We talk about a rotator, one capture page, and doing this, using this list building strategy, you can either promote multiple offers, products and services, or business opportunities, or you can actually build multiple lists, or you can do a combination of all of those things with one link rotator, one capture page, right? And I'm going to show you guys exactly how this works. Let's get over here to this page. Now, this is the capture page. You saw the capture page. My potential prospects just gave me their name and email address. If you guys didn't see that on my back, I'm going to show you again. All I'm asking for is an email address in my capture page. And what am I saying? Free video. How to earn extra income on or offline using automated marketing systems and sales funnels. You guys know how I feel about automated marketing systems and sales funnels. And so, once my potential prospect, the people that I'm strategically positioning myself in front of, what I got set up here is a sort of generic bridge page. So that prospect just gave me their email address, and now they're on my generic bridge page. Why am I calling this a generic bridge page? Because it's a generic bridge page. I'm being pretty general up here at the top when I'm saying it's me, Marlon, free video, how to earn extra income on or offline using automated marketing systems and sales funnels. And let's back up for a minute and make sure that I'm being congruent. Yep, I'm saying the exact same thing in my capture page that I'm saying in my bridge page. Now, here's where the beauty happens, guys, and here's where this new list building strategy to grow your business or to promote multiple products and services comes into play. Talked about the link rotator, right? So at the bottom, there it is, guys, my banner. But it's not just an ordinary banner, guys. Don't be fooled. I've taken that banner and I use the link rotator, and every time somebody comes through my capture page and lands on my bridge page and hits my link down here, let's see where they go. They're going to be redirected to my business opportunity. But wait a minute. I said you could promote multiple offers, products, services, and build multiple lists. So let's hit that banner again. Silence. Wow. There we go again, guys. Are you guys following me? Are you watching this in real time? Let's hit it one more time. Whoop, I think we got a winner. I even have that bridge page inside of that capture page inside of the other capture page, guys. And I can change these links out anytime I want. So what I would have got there was a double opt-in. And that person is going yet to another list. Let's hit it again. Whoops. There we go again, guys.
Hey, I'm Jeff,
another
and I'm going to tell
business
you how to have
opportunity, another product and or service. All I'm using is one link rotator. All I'm using is one capture page. But the beauty happens when I link those into those different websites, URLs, into the link rotator, and it goes out, guys. And guess what? I can put as many offers as I want to inside of the link rotator on my generic thank you page. Is it still true to my caption? Free video, how to earn extra income on or offline using automated sales systems and sales funnels? Yeah, because that's all I have loaded into the link rotator. Now, listen up. You can do the exact same thing using this technique, using this tactic, using this strategy if you wanted to build multiple lists. Because what you would do, guys, is instead of using the link rotator here, once they're inside of your capture page already, we're going to, well, I got 5 in here, you can see, guys, now we're starting over. But instead of using the link rotator inside of the capture page or on the other side of your capture page, you would simply use a link rotator at the very front door. Do you guys understand the importance and the power of being able to do this? You talk about a new list building strategy. It's new to me. I've never really thought about it until I started using the link rotator. And now when you talk about growing your business, expanding your business by having multiple links in a link rotator, so when your particular prospects opt into your capture page, and once they get to the other side of that capture page, you actually have a generic thank you page or generic bridge page that redirects to multiple offers. Multiple, well, if you're talking about just promoting the offers and once they're inside, you could do this all day and night. Now check this out. I said, what if you just wanted to build multiple lists? Same concept, guys. What you would do on this side of the capture page, instead of this being this particular URL, it would be the URL to the link rotator. So now you're running traffic, driving traffic, right? But instead of driving traffic to just one page like this, you would load several capture pages, all of them if you want. I don't know how many you have, but you can load them all into the link rotator. And now when that traffic starts hitting your capture pages, just loaded into that link rotator, you're building multiple lists as the traffic is equally divided, because that's the way that you set these rotators up. You can equally divide the traffic that's coming into the actual cap or link rotator evenly. So let's just say hypothetically you have 4, then 25% would go to each one, 100%, 25, 25, 25, 25. So every single time somebody hits that link rotator, every person that hits it will be redirected to yet another capture page. And you can load unlimited capture pages into the link rotator. So there you have it. You talk about a new list building strategy. If you guys have not implemented this, I got one question to ask you. Are you a person that watches to see what happens, that wonders what happened, or that make things happen? Only you can answer that question, guys. But I just showed you guys a new list building strategy that I'm implementing even as we speak. Hopefully I'll be able to show you guys some case studies on the other side of that traffic that's being ran right now. And I appreciate you guys being on the video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button or bell or whatever it is, guys, and subscribe to my channel, because we just getting started, okay? Be on the lookout for my next cool little marketing tip. As always, this is Marlon Bennett wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to live in an extraordinary digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys. I'm going to see you on the next video.